If you've been avoiding the high hydration doughs because you think they're too sticky, messy, or complicated to make, let me show you how incredibly easy it can be. Today we are making mini jalapeno cheese focaccias. It gets crispy crust while keeping the inside perfectly light, soft and bubbly. No heavy kneading, no master chef skills required. Let's make it. We start with the liquid base. First we pour the lukewarm water followed by the honey. Give it a quick stir to let that honey completely dissolve into the water. Next, we add the instant yeast. Then we add the bread flour and the salt. Take your spatula and blend everything together. All we are doing here is mixing until the flour absorbs the water and the dough loses its loose, lumpy look. No kneading or machine is required. Once it comes together, drizzle the olive oil right over the top. This oil is going to smooth out the texture of your sticky dough and it helps build elasticity during the rest. Now cover it up and let it relax for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, it's time to build structure. Because it's a highly hydrated dough, we don't knead on the counter. Instead, we wet our hands with a little water and the dough doesn't stick to you. Grab one side, stretch up gently and fold it over the center. Rotate the ball and repeat it on all four sides. We are going to do 3 sets of this stretch and fold in total, resting the dough for 20 minutes in between each set. With every single fold, you'll notice the sticky dough transforming, gaining strength and becoming beautifully smooth. And to finish it off, we also do a few coil folds. After resting for 1 hour, your dough will be airy, fluffy and full of life. Generously flour your counter and let the dough gently slide out. Dust your hands and very softly push it into simple rectangular shape. Try not to press out those beautiful gas bubbles. Now flour the top and slice the dough into 8 individual pieces. Transfer them carefully onto your olive-lined baking tray, cover, and let them rest for 15 minutes. Then just add the jalapeno and cheese, or whatever topping you would like. You can add a splash of oil over the top. Preheat your oven to 240 Celsius degrees or 465 Fahrenheit. And let it for 12 to 14 minutes. If it looks delicious, drop a like and subscribe for more easy baking videos. Just look at those individual mini focaccias. Crisp all the way around the edges, beautifully golden and perfectly baked. The best part, we achieved this incredibly airy texture in just few hours. No overnight proving and absolutely no special tools, just basting bowl, a spatula and your hands. High hydration baking doesn't have to be intimidating. If you enjoy this simple approach, please like the video and subscribe for more easy recipes. Happy baking!